Okay. Logistics. Master conversion. Okay. Material master. We've already seen this, but we are just going through basic settings. Maintain company codes for material management. Okay, our company code will be POP-G. That's POP group. POP group. Okay, and we have already defined. Fine. Now, 2024 0. Current period, yes, it's 1. And former year or previous year financial is 2023, and month previous period is 12. Okay, and allow backposting. Allow backposting means you want to post something about material, either receiving, either GRN, either movement or invoicing. It will allow in the back period, that is in the previous period. Okay, and sometimes you can also disallow back posting. Okay, let's save it, because only then we will be able to produce purchase orders, RFQs, quotations, source listing, info records, and move the material. Okay, material types, we've already seen that. Settings for key fields, material groups. Material groups, yes, this is important. Okay, and POP-G. Okay, POP group raw. Okay, and POP RW is our material group. We have already defined this. External material groups are basically for third-party machine integration or software integration to pull material data from other machines or software. Okay, and this is basically the groups you will actually assign to pull the data. Okay, define divisions. Divisions can be your business verticals. In raw materials, you can have multiple divisions of your raw material. If, for example, you are producing raw material in rubber, of course, they will be grade 1, grade 2, grade 60, grade 90. That can be your divisions. Okay, material status, ABC. Okay, material indicators, ABC, significant material, medium significance, and low significance. You can actually assign the weightage. That could be in terms of its nature of the material. You can assign significance, whether it is volatile, whether it is very expensive or less expensive, or has less shelf life. Based on that, you can have. Or if you are actually dealing with something heavy and durable, like metal, then of course it will be a significant material. Or if the business is into spare parts, a spare part can be significant, or it will have low significance. Okay. Like, for example, low significance can be washers, and highly significant can be carburetors. Okay. Source list, very important. Okay. We will go into this. What is a source list? Basically, let me just mm, tell you what is source list. Okay. And that will be slash o create logistics, materials management, material material master. No, it was source listing. Purchasing master data and source list. Okay. Maintain. Now material. Let's pick one because we haven't created material on our company code yet or on our plant. Okay. Maybe we just pick any material. Okay. Hammer tool, factory tool, double F42. Okay. Luckily, we got something from double F42. Enter. Okay. Now, we have this material that we want from a vendor, okay, at this plant, and it will have a validity from starting date to the end date from specific vendor. Which purchase organization will have the responsibility to procure this, and which plant will be procuring it? Okay. Which purchase organization, which plant, which ordering unit will be assigned, and um, um, details like of the material are actually given over here. For example, let me just pull out the explanation for item, whether it is bulk or it says specify the number that uniquely identifies an item in an outline agreement. We'll also see what is an outline agreement. Okay, this is the outline agreement item. So it is or whether this is blocked or whether the item supply will be fixed or not, whether this will be required in MRP or not. So this is basically source listing. Okay, so over here we are going to configure some of the requirements at source listing. Okay, and our plant is pop G. Yes, source listing is allowed. Save. This is already saved. we can make a source list. Now, source list basically gives you a perspective what vendor can provide you what material from what date till which date. Okay, that is basically the uh, uh, the underlying concept of source list. Okay, okay. Next comes quota arrangement. But before, maintain search helps. Okay, search help, of course, Matner, this is material number. This is basically the field name Matner, which is material number coming in from the ABAP table. Okay. And material through material number, you can search for it. And you can also add in search help, you can also add a plant. Okay. Now for plant, what will be that field? Works, I guess. Works is basically is plant because okay, plant. Relevant to plant maintenance, no. Okay, not found. Okay. Okay. Now we're done with this. Okay. Quota arrangement. Now, what is quota arrangement? Let us go and check quota arrangement as well. Okay. Quota arrangement. Now, what is quota arrangement? Let's maintain that. Okay. Quota arrangement. Enter. Okay. Now, quota quota arrangement is basically you want actually a material in a specific quantity and the minimum quantity split. For example, the quota for this month is 300 units, but you can actually order in split in like 100 items or maybe 50 items. You can specifically mention it in quota arrangement. Okay, that we can actually do that. That's what we are doing over here. Number ranges. Let's see what are the number ranges here. Intervals. Intervals are 199, 399. Okay. Okay. Uh, change groups. Let's see what change groups are there. Quota arrangement 299. It's Q non-assigned elements. We can create a group. Okay. Pop G. Pop G quota arrangement. $500 to 605. 500. 269, right? Okay, save. Okay, we have assigned element to group, and we can assign it to quota arrangement and save. Changes have been saved. Now you can actually make your quota arrangements. Now let's stop our configuration over here. We'll go with the configurations for RFQ, purchase regular purchase order, and contract scheduling agreement confirmations. We'll also do that. Okay. But right now, let's go and make our material master. Okay. Logistics, material management, material master, material MM01, mechanical engineering, for example. I'm just taking material type. We've already made a material type. Material type is already defined, that is raw. Okay. Select views. Okay. Basic data. Purchasing. Okay. General plant data. Accounting 1. Accounting 2. Organization levels. Plant. Pop G. Material ledger must be set productive for valuation area pop G. Okay, let's stop our lecture over here. In the next lecture, we'll see what is a material ledger. Okay.